Hey guys, it's Matt here from Aus Agro. We're down here in Bracknell, Tasmania, and today I'm going to be taking you through the features of our mini round silage wrapper. So when you receive your wrapper, it's going to come in a steel frame crate that's used just for shipping, just to keep it nice and safe. To get that out of the crate, we recommend just using an angle grinder. And then the first thing you're going to want to attach onto the wrapper is the stretching device. Here you'll see Jeff removing the bolts that are going to fix the device onto the wrapper. And then if you've got another set of hands, just help you line up the nuts and bolts with the holes. Should be easy enough just to do finger tight. That's the first section done. Alright, so the next step here is to install the start lever, and you're going to want to feed that through the stretching device here that we've just put on. So it goes one through here, the other through there, and then with another person you can get someone to line it up, stick a pin through it, do up the nut and bolt. So now we've got the handle on and the wrapping device, we're going to show you how to load some film. So each wrapper that we send is going to come with a roll of film, just like this. And I'll show you how to put it on now. All right, now we've got the silage film out from the box. Just going to rest it on top here. And what we want to do is pull the pin out from the top, place it down here, take out one of the rollers, and now we can place the silage film on here. Now, there isn't a sign on top here indicating which way the film should be facing, so I'm just following that. I'm going to have the film out this way. Place it over here, it'll line up nicely. Then we'll top it off with this roller, and finally with the beta pin through the top.
When you start the engine on here, you check your oil course and put your fuel, unlead it, and then what you do is you turn your tap on, like so, what I'm doing. That's your choke, turn that on, and then got your switch down here, turn that on, and then full start.
So two of the great features about this bale wrapper that we love are the automatic stopping and the adjustable film winding. So that all happens here, and basically it's adjusted by this pin here. So depending where this pin is, if it's at the top, it means it'll only be wound a few times. If you want it wound up to 3 or wrapped more, you put it into the bottom pin. But for most people, it's perfectly good where it is in the middle. Pop that in there, and when you're ready, pull this handle into its starting position and start her up. So now we've got the motor started. You want to feed the silage film just through the rollers, and you'll see Jeff walking around to the back of the bale, and he's actually tying it into some of the twine, which will just help grip on your first way around, and then when you hit the start lever, away it goes. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. If you'd like to learn more about our machinery, you can head to www.ausagro.com.au.